Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Willis Road. We have a train coming, check it out, roll it. This is a westbound train. It is very late out. It is currently 10:50 p.m. And this is the Norfolk Southern 189, I think. I'm going to have to get to my dad's house right after this. Here it comes. Roll it. At 10:51 p.m. Oh, great. Turn off the panic alarm, everyone! Or not! Oh, great! How can I... The panic alarm went off because my dad opened up the door. For whatever reason. This is why whatever you do, it's always nice to lock your car doors, everyone. And make sure nobody opens them up from the inside because that will set off the alarm. So I do apologize for the alarm that went off in the video. That might be the 121, actually, and the door is just locked again. But anyway, the 121 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west all the way to Kansas City, Missouri, where it terminates. And sorry about the panic alarm once again. But anyway, all on this Monday, July 14th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. Oh, and yeah, about that one video with the malfunctioning crossing, that was on Saturday, July 12th of 2025. I forgot to say that on that video, but anyway, I have to get to my dad's house now, so I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it. Have a good night, everyone. I will see you all on the next video. So I'll see you then, everyone. Once again, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and that is it. And have a good night, everyone.